Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn a very interesting topic, articles. I am going to tell you a few mistakes which we do in our daily life. So watch our video till end. Let's start. There are three types of articles, a and the, where a is used in singular countable, like I saw a boy in the market, he caught a mouse. Noun beginning with consonant sounds, like a monkey ran out of zoo, he fought like a hero. Before units, milk is rupees 34 a kilogram. The bike gives 60 km a liter. Before certain numbers in words like a million, a trillion. An exclamatory sign like what a cute child and what a beautiful day. To express quantity like a few, a pair of. To express of frequency, like he shops twice a week, farmers leave their land fallow once a year. Where an is used before vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, like an egg, an ink pot. Beginning with consonant but with vowel sounds, like an hour, an honest lady. Where the is used before unique things like the earth, the universe. Before noun like I saw a boy in the market, the boy was begging. Before adjective to represent like the wise hate the foolish, the poor depend on the rich. Before adverb to show increasing in same proportion or amount, like more one has the more one wants. Before proper nouns only when it is qualified by an adjective phrase, clause used as an adjective, like the famous Napoleon, the wise Solomon. Before common noun, like he played the fool. Names like of people, building, monument, newspaper, books, ocean, river, seas, king, queens, etc. Now, mistakes which we do. A is not used before plurals. So by this we get to know it's not a man, it's men. It's not a cow, it's cows. A is not used before uncountable nouns. It is not a bread, it's a loaf of bread. A is not used before proper nouns. It's not a Reno is good a poet, it's Reno is good poet. A is not used in certain idiomatic expressions. It is not today we celebrated a Diwali, it's today we celebrated Diwali. An is not used in such word which begins with vowel but with consonant sound. It's not an unicorn, an university, an European. All these starts with A because their first letter sound as Y, which is consonant sound. It's not 1 rupee coin, an honest woman, an hour to complete it, because a 1 rupee coin, its first letter sound as W, which is consonant word. An honest woman and an hour to complete it, its first letter is silent and it will start from O, which is vowel. It's not he is a MP, it's he is an MP, as M is sounds EM means M. So E is vowel sound, so an will come. An is not used before uncountable nouns. It is not an advice, it's a piece of advice. So use such words as It's a piece of advice. The valuable place. The singer and the dancer is Ramesh. Here we want to say that Ramesh is singer plus dancer, but because of the after and makes a meaning that singer is unknown person and Ramesh is only dancer. Correct sentence should be the singer and dancer is Ramesh. Now test your knowledge. Give this question's answer in comment sections and let us know who is the first. Thank you.